Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, now some of you would have, who watch my videos regular, would have seen this particular box here on this video here. There you go. As you can see, unfortunately, it only came with the pencil. Yeah, so we had to go out and try and find a pen. So, did we find a pen? Let's open the box for you. Hey! Yes, we did. We found a fountain pen for the pencil to make a matching set. So, let's take a look at the case. There you go. It does what it says on the tin. It's a Conklin Endura fountain pen, and in this case pencil as well. So let's pop the pen and the pencil down here. Let's pop the box to one side and let's see what we have. Now, as it says, we've got a Conklin excuse me, Conklin fountain pen and pencil. Now, this is the first time I've ever had a Conklin, so to be quite honest with you, I don't know a great deal about them. All I do know is that they made some absolutely stunning fountain pens. They were a major manufacturer of fountain pens, and I believe it was actually, the company was founded, I believe, by a gentleman by the name of Roy Conklin in the 1800s in Toledo, Ohio in the USA. Apart from that, as I said, I don't know a great deal. I do know that a lot of you people, when you sort of listen, when you hear the word Conklin, you'll refer back to the sort of, one of their major sort of main pens was what they term as a crescent filler. Very, very well known. But as I say, they made lots and lots of different pens, different models, different material. As I said, they made some superb pens. But what we have here for you is basically a fountain pen and a pencil, and they're what we term as a ring top fountain pen and pencil. You can see both of them are in this gorgeous, what they term as bronze and black marbling. Okay, excellent condition. Basically, I've cleaned them all up, put a new sack in the fountain pen. Both are in full working order. Both are absolutely gorgeous pens. The size of them, the fountain pen is approximately 112 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a nice 11 millimeters in diameter. The pencil, slightly longer at 114 millimeters and 9 millimeters in diameter, so slightly thinner. Let's concentrate on the fountain pen first of all. As we said, it's a ring top. If I take you down, there you go, you can see it's a lever fill fountain pen, and I don't know if you can actually see on the lever, it's got patent November 17th 1925. Now, although it says 1925, I'm dating both the pen and the pencil between sort of 1920s and maybe early 1930s. Okay, now let's take you to the barrel imprint. Let's keep it sort of nice and still for you. I'm hoping I'm just sort of twiddling it back. As I said, I've got new lighting, so I'm trying to adjust, make things a lot clearer. But the barrel imprint to the left has trade, in the middle Conklin, and then to the end it's got Mark, and then underneath it has Toledo, Ohio, USA, and then to the very bottom you can see it's got the word Endura. Okay, so it's an Endura. Now, The pencil slightly different, just sort of around this particular area here. Again, I'm going to keep it sort of a bit still, see if you can see it. And it reads on the pencil, it has Conklin, Toledo, Ohio. And then if I turn it round slightly, on the pencil it has Endura Symmetric. Okay, so there we have it. Let's come back to the fountain pen. As I said, comes in this gorgeous bronze and black marbling. If we take you to the cap, you can see it's got a lovely, quite a wide cap band there, and to the very top we've got this sort of gold plated sort of cap stud with the ring to the very top there. Now if I take the cap off for you, show you the pen, numerous different angles. Let's take you up to this section. It's got quite a nice section there, slight sort of ridge towards the nib, and the nib there reads Conklin Endura USA, and you can see it's got a sort of moon shaped breather hole there. There's a sideways view for you, and then underneath it's got quite an attractive feed underneath. Once again, as always, it's all been cleaned and it's all ready to go. So what we're going to do, as I say, they've been fully restored. We're going to try and find a new home for this gorgeous set. Although it's a small pen, with my large hands, yeah, it still feels quite comfortable to hold. Okay, so a nice size. And then just very briefly, you know, I'm not a pencil person, but there you go, you can see we've got this gold plated cone to the end there, and as you saw before, we've got these two sort of cap bands to the very top. We've got the ring to the top of the pencil there, and if I actually just remove that, there you go, inside you can see we've got a rubber, or for our American friends, an eraser. So let's pop that back. There we go. And again, the pencil again in lovely working order. Now, because I've actually fully restored them, and as I said, we'll try and find a new home for them, I'm not going to fill the pen. I'm going to leave that pleasure to the new owner, whoever that will be. So what I'm going to do is just simply dip it in the ink, and let's just see how the pen actually writes. So what we've got is a Conklin Endura, and as we said, it's a ring top fountain pen, and we're dating it from 1920s through to maybe the early 1930s. It's actually writing very nicely indeed. It's a lovely writer. There's no flex on the nib. It's quite a stiff nib. Writing, I would say, with a fine line, but writing very nicely indeed. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll clean that nib once we finish the video. Oh, and just for you people that like pencils, if we turn the end here, let me just show you, there you can see the lead coming out of the pencil. So that's also, so we've got a Conklin pencil, self-explanatory, working very nicely indeed, as you can see there. And then if we turn it back, it retracts the lead back into the pencil. So there we go, there's a writing sample, as I say, with a fine line, lovely writer, and also the pencil, as you can see there, in full working order. So there we have it, two absolutely stunning, well, a stunning set in this, as we said, in this gorgeous black and bronze, or some people call it gold marbling, in lovely condition, both in full working order. Absolutely lovely. And as I said, the Conklins, although I don't know a great deal about them, what I do know is they're very sought after and very, very collectible. So let's bring the box back on. There we go, pop the pen and the pencil in, and also very nice to be able to have the original Conklin Endura box with this set. Finito. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen, as always, as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, don't forget, and if you will, please give the video a thumbs up. Just down below, press that thumbs up symbol. But for now I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini, and from me in this lovely set I'm just going to say bye bye for now.